Hello, Hadi here. Welcome you to this channel, My Health. This is a channel that has to do with the health and health related issue. If you are new to my channel, I want you to encourage me to do more video. You can do that by just simply smashing the red subscribe button down below and hit a bell icon notification to be notified as soon as I drop a video. When you do that, that is the encouragement I need from you. In today's video, we shall be looking at 10 best food to cleanse your liver naturally. We all know that your liver is one of the major organs that plays a vital role in terms of detoxification process. Now let's move. Overview of the liver. Your liver is one of your body's major organs, and its main job is to filter the systems by converting toxins to waste products, cleaning your blood and processing numerous nutrients, while maintaining a healthy lifestyle free of overindulgences is the key to a healthier liver. Some meals can aid in doing that. When you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you 10 natural nutrients that can help to cleanse your liver naturally. Now let's move. Number 1, which is the garlic cloves. We all know what garlics are. Garlic, which is high in antibacterial compound and selenium, stimulates liver detox enzymes when consumed. These enzymes aid in the removal of poisons from the body. The garlic contains selenium. This selenium stimulates liver detox enzymes which comes to remove toxins from the body. Then number 2, we have berries and fruit. Include grapefruits, apples, avocado, and all citrus fruits in your diet. These fruits are beneficial to the digestive system and help to stimulate the liver. Fresh juices are beneficial to the liver as well. We all know what's fruits, so this one doesn't require much explanation. Green leaf. Chlorophyll-rich green leaf food absorb a lot of pollutants from the circulation. They are high in vitamins, minerals, and fibers, and they don't add a lot of calories to your diet, so they are a great choice. Obesity, heart diseases, and high blood pressure are all reduced by eating a leafy green rich diet. Leafy green contain chlorophyll, and chlorophyll contain vitamin, minerals, and fibers. So when you consume them, it helps to reduce obesity, heart diseases, and high blood pressure. Number 4, nuts. Nuts, which are high in lipids and minerals, are beneficial to the stomach. It was discovered that consuming nuts improves liver enzymes level. Walnuts are abundant in glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, which help to assist natural liver cleansing. Almonds are high in vitamins, which benefit the liver once again. Glutathione is a master antioxidant, so nuts contain glutathione. If you are looking for master antioxidant, consume or eat a lot of nuts, especially walnut and the rest of the nut. Example of the nut, we have walnut, granite, kola nut, and the rest. Then number 5, fish, fatty fish. If you enjoy seafood, make sure to include fresh tuna and aquavites. Sardine and mackerel should also be included in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acid found in these fatty fish helps to decrease inflammations in the body. According to the studies, they inhibit the accumulation of extra fat and maintain the level of enzymes in the liver. Fatty fish. Then number 6, non-traditional grains. Example, we have oatmeal, brown rice, millet, and barley are examples of whole grain foods that are beneficial to the liver. These meals, which are high in fiber, help the liver to store less sugar. When your liver stores less sugar, there's a optimum performance in it. Then number 7, we have spice. Turmeric is very powerful spice. Turmeric's main component, curcumin, remove toxins and heal liver cells. When people who are suffering from liver diseases or liver cancers, it helps when you consume a lot of curcumin and turmeric, which contain curcumin. The curcumin helps to regenerate liver cells. Then number 8, cruciferous vegetable. Glutathione is abundant in cruciferous vegetable. This activates cleaning enzymes, which aid in the removal of carcinogens and other toxins from the body. Consumes a lot of broccoli, like cabbage and cauliflower. Glutathione, as I said earlier, is a master antioxidant. A carcinogen is an agent that precipitates the formation of cancer cells. So when there is enough of glutathione in your system, the carcinogen will get rich. And cabbage contains high number of this glutathione. The number 9, which is the olive oil. If your doctor has recommended that you should transit to oil that decreases fat accumulation in the liver, improve insulin sensitivity, and lowers blood level of the liver enzymes, it is time to think of consuming olive oil. Number 10, which is the last but not the least, infusion. Are you aware that coffee and tea are beneficial to the liver? Coffee lowers the risk of liver cancer, but green tea in particular is strong in antioxidant. Rosemary infusion has also been proven to be highly helpful to the liver. These are 10 best scientifically proven diets that help to clean your liver. Please, I want to know the comment section down below a diet that you know can help to cleanse your liver apart from the one we mentioned above, so as other people to know, so that other people to get use of it, so as to assist other people. Please let us know in the comment section down below. I also want you to like this video for other people to see. The more people see the video, the more help you, the more assistance you render to the humanity. Please like the video. Remember to encourage me. What I just need from you is to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon notification, that is what I need from you. You know, this is a free channel and I need that assistance. It will really encourage me to do more video. A big disclaimer: even though this food aid a liver cleansing, you should first and foremost consult your dietitian or your doctor before you start using any of these food mentioned in this video. This video is meant for entertainment purposes. The key to any diet though is to eat in moderation and stick to a tight and planned exercise routine. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Remember to stay healthy. Bye.